It's shawnshawn here. I want to give you an artist tip of the day, and that is a 30-day challenge. So one of the ways to really make yourself really good is, get these little 10 by 10 or 8 by 8 little tiny paintings. You can get just board or whatever. Probably just cut up your own board is probably the cheapest way to go, and gesso them and then paint the same theme. So try just sunsets, or do just galaxies, or if you're a little more advanced, maybe do just dog faces. And what that'll do is that continual practice daily of the same topic, you're going to really kind of dial that in, really master the color science behind what makes a good sunset, if that's what your topic is, or what makes a good dog, what are the colors there. Whatever your topic is, you're really going to narrow that down. And so I would suggest doing that several times to really hone your craft, learn how to mix, especially for specific topics. You're really going to master how that looked. You can see, particularly with my galaxies, I learned from tutorials online, and then I've done maybe 20 over time. Not exactly a 30-day challenge, but they definitely get way better the more often you just kind of hit the same topic over and over and over, especially simple topics, and then develop into more complicated topics, beach scenes and etc. Kind of challenge yourself each time to a harder topic, and just do that for 30 days straight. You're really going to hone your craft and get good. That's my tip of the day, guys.